Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at the 8-wheel stunt car. Whoa! Take a look at this! Oh my word, this thing is heavy duty. You got your on and off button right there. You put your battery right in there. They actually supply you with AA batteries and AAA batteries for your remote and everything. That's awesome! Alright, now that we got everything set up, turn it on. So you can adjust the music. Some good music on this thing. So no music. So 3 songs. Thing's pretty quick as well. So it's actually pretty fast. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Kids, don't try this at home. Can we make it? Oh no! That's right. You can actually adjust it. Did you guys just see what we did? You can adjust the wheels. That's right. So you can fully lift up the legs and allow it to use on carpet. So with your buttons here, you can lower it, lift it up, however you need. So if you get stuck, no problem. If we want to lift it up completely, look at this. It is now an off-road machine. Look at this. It is now a tower. Or I should say off wood machine. But look at this, guys. That's with it lifted up. Now you got all that clearance, and that's just by pressing these buttons. This thing is gonna make a kid have an awesome time. I can tell you that right now. It is super cool.